You heard that?
You're standing here right beside me. What did I hear?
Oh, I couldn't hold it.
Well, you need to go to the bathroom, man.
Where's the bathroom?
Over there. Okay. Get out of here.
I didn't see you there.
Going up.
They have to be still. That's rude. Hey, rude, dude. You ever do that in my face again, we're gonna have an issue.
I need the
Got it?
I need the bathroom.
You know what? I don't appreciate it.
Where's the bathroom?
You know, dude, you need to stop your I'm right here, mother. You do that in my face again, we're gonna have a problem.
It's coming out.
You ever do that to me again, boy, we're gonna have a problem.
Sir.
No, this mother get his ass out of here.
I...
You up.
Oh, dear God.
Oh, dear God.